The current Lethbridge feed grain prices are as follows. Cash barley is holding at $4.55. Feed wheat remains at $4.80 and corn is steady at $4.73 per ton. In the milling wheat markets, December Minneapolis futures are off 3/4 cent at $9.62, with local hard red spring bid for December movement at $12.20 per bushel delivered. Over to the oilseeds, nearby canola futures jumped $11.20 at $8.96.10 per ton, with delivered values for December movement at $20.32 per bushel. In the pulse markets, nearby red lentils are unchanged at 33.5 cents a pound, and yellow peas are sitting at $13 per bushel. In the cattle markets, December live cattle moved up 25 cents at $151.82 per hundredweight. For more information on pricing and picked up on-farm options, give me a call at 403-394-1711. I'm Vera Buziak at Marketplace Commodities, accurate real-time marketing information and pricing options.
Canadian Shooting Sports Association. Without the CSSA, our gun rights would have been taken long ago. These guys are on the front lines helping to draft smart and intelligent firearms regulations and legislation in Canada, and more importantly, educating the public about how we keep guns out of the hands of the wrong people. To become a member, it's absolutely worth every penny. You can become a Western Standard member for just $10 a month or $99 a year